This gorgeous Victorian style home on a huge corner lot has been totally renovated from top to bottom. Enjoy this spacious updated kitchen with stainless steel appliances, double ovens, granite countertops and an island with smooth surface stovetop. Dining room has an open space concept into the kitchen. The library would work and built-ins add a lot of character to this home. Backyard has a privacy wall to enjoy your brick patio and covered back porch. Come take a look. Total renovated.